let's try and solve this quadratic problem. So whenever you have one thing times another equal 0, try to make this bubble to be 0, because 0 times, let's say this bubble is 7, 0 times 7 will be 0. Or try to make this bubble to be 0, because 0, let's say 9, 9 times 0, it would be 0. So try and make one bubble to be 0. So for this one here, you would glance at this. You can actually factorize this one, because two numbers multiply together to give you a 32, and you have to be able to make a negative 4. Well, 4 times 8 would be 32, and you can create a 4 from a 4 and an 8. So you can break this up as x minus 8 and then x plus 4. You see, this times this will give you negative 32, and negative 8 and positive, negative 8x and positive 4x, it will give you negative 4x. So this bubble can be broken up as this. Let's just leave this as it is. So hang on, plus 10x plus 2 equals 0. Now we know one solution would be positive 8, so x equals 8. When you put 8 into here, here, the whole thing would be 0. And x equals negative 4 would make the whole thing here equal 0. So we know two solutions so far. Let's try and make this bubble to be 0. So to make this bubble to be 0, you glance at this to see if you can factorize it. But because of this negative 6 coefficient, it's really hard to factorize. So let's just blindly use the quadratic formula. So negative b plus, I'm expecting you to know this, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So use the quadratic formula to solve this. So b is 10, so that would be negative 10, that's negative b here, and then plus minus square root, b squared would be 100, minus 4ac is 2, and then all over 2a. So I'm expecting you to be able to compute this. So it should give you two solutions. So here, so from here you can see that one solution is 8. The other solution is negative 4, and the other two would be the solutions to this thing here. Okay.